How do I tell my parents that I have 1 year left to live? I'm a 25-year-old woman, very close to my parents emotionally, though they live abroad, and I only see them a few times a year. We speak nearly every day though. A few months ago, I started having symptoms like unexplained weight loss, fatigue, and abdominal pain. I went to the doctor, and after multiple tests, including scans and a biopsy, I was diagnosed with incurable bowel cancer. I've been given about a year to live. The only person who knows is my partner, who I've been with for 10 years. We kept it to ourselves because I didn't want to worry my parents prematurely. Now I need to tell them but don't know how to approach it. I'm supposed to visit them in a few months, and I want that time to be as happy as possible. I also need their support, and my partner is struggling too. He needs someone to talk to, but no one else knows yet. How do I have this conversation with my parents? I'm not sure I can just drop it into a phone call, but flying out just to tell them feels overwhelming. Any advice would help.